Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to create Instagram QR code. So open Instagram and go to your profile section by clicking on that profile icon on the bottom right side. Okay, now you have to tap on that three line you can see top right side of your phone's screen. Okay, three line you can see, and here you can see QR code. Okay, so you have to tap on QR code, and here you can see friends can scan these to find you, and you can also choose style as well by clicking on the top middle, the box you can see on the top middle part of your phone's screen, and you can change the background as well according to your needs. Okay, so in this way you can create a QR code on Instagram. So I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.